don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification to get updates immediately. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a review of a very unusual thing. The thing why I want to give a review of this and let you know how you can buy it is because in India LED shoes for adults are not readily available. Those that are at a high price. So I got this from Gearbest, which is like AliExpress at rupees 820. It is cheap, but it took 2 months to arrive at my postal address from the time of I placed the order. I think you guys have got it. This is not for me, this is for my mate's son. He wanted some LED shoes which was not available in his size because he is like 6 to 7 years old. The ones that are available in India have that quack quack sound and you wear it when you are a toddler, not above that. So I'd highly recommend you guys to get this if you have the time, like 2 months or so, and you want to give this type of shoes to any of your loved ones. The LED lights are not powered by any battery. It is rechargeable, which is the best part, and there's a switch. Hear this. So what you do with the switch is you can not only change the color of the light, you can also change the pattern in which it is getting lit. Isn't this awesome? The gearbest website. You get amazing deals on electronics here. You can go check that out. And this is the shoe that I purchased. As you can see, it is $605 price, but taking more things in factor, it came to 11 point something, as $11.62, which is approximately 800 and something. See how cool these sneakers are. Now I want to get one for myself, but I can't wait for 2 months again. But it's okay. I have passed that age also. So I hope you found this video useful, and if any of you guys were searching for some LED shoes, I hope this will help you. So see you guys soon again. Bye.